Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this for your career situation, guys, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, guys, Cancers. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards, guys, first. So we have Emperor in reverse, Knight of Pentacles in reverse, and World. So in your circumstances today, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Today, for some reason, Cancers, you are someone dedicated to your work and devoted. So whatever you take up, you go the distance. You have that grit and perseverance to complete that. But today, for some reason, you feel really stuck, or you feel not inspired, or you have that feeling of lethargy, and you don't want to do anything. You just want to take rest. You don't want to go for work. Maybe you want to take a break away from work, or even in this relationship you lack inspiration and you just want to be where you are. Maybe some kind of confusion is there in your heart, or it may be you are feeling really emotional today. Maybe for some of you, emotional about certain things. Maybe you are seeing your circumstances, maybe someone's circumstances, and you feel really sad for them, and you don't know what to do or how to relieve yourself emotionally of what you feel today. So you don't want to do anything. You are just thinking about this person. So it may be this person you love. You are wishing that things were different. Maybe for some of you, this person is sick, guys. They are suffering from some illness. That may be the reason you feel this way. Or for some of you, you are you have plans to change your place of your residence, or you're having plans to change your work. Maybe you're looking for some other job. So some kind of confusion maybe, and you are not seeing the expected results. So you feel really lost and in a lot of stress, and you feel stuck in some ways. You don't want to make any decisions or do anything today. You just want to while away your time. So it may be something in your relationship, maybe, guys. Maybe you are trying to avoid some situation, some circumstance. It may be something in your relationship, guys. So maybe with this person, you just want to have a break away from this person. Maybe rest. You are worried about them for some reason, maybe, or you are worried about someone else. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So we have Ace of Wands. It's a positive card here, guys. So maybe for some of you, you are making great plans. Maybe you are planning on a surprise, or they are planning on a surprise. So they want to surprise you maybe with a proposal. So that may be the thing they are doing. So they are taking a break away from you, maybe to plan something great for you, something really good, something interesting for you. So they are buying gifts or planning something. That may be the reason they are uh, trying to stay away from you guys. And things are going really positively in your relationship. You have mutual love, caring, trust, and you feel really happy. You love to be with this person. And maybe for some of you, you are planning to start a family, have a child together. So I see a very positive energy with these cards, guys, for your relationship. So for your work situation, it's Wheel of Fortune. So in your career situation, guys, things are going in the right way. Whatever is to happen is what is happening. So destiny is playing its part. Maybe for some of you, you are taking a new job, moving to a better job, or moving to a different place of work. So some positive news is coming towards you today, guys, and you are going to be extremely lucky today, guys. Lucky in your career situation. So some job offer you expected or you were dreaming of is coming towards you today, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So we will see what it is. For those who chose this first card, we have Dawn, the golden hat. So in your circumstances today, guys, you are making a lot of efforts and it is something difficult, but you are someone dedicated and devoted, and your devotion and dedication is bringing you the rewards, guys, and very soon. So some of us may feel that we do so much but the returns are not good. We work so hard but what we get is nothing matching to what we did. But you need to understand that hard work will never go for waste, guys, and patience is what is called for today in your circumstances. So you are going to be really recognized for your devotion and dedication and true love. If you have true love on this person and if they also have true love, so whatever obstacles you are facing, you both are facing today in your love situation is coming to an end, guys, and your good work or your good deeds will always be rewarded. You can have trust that on that, guys. You can be rest assured. So whatever you do, whatever good things you do will always be rewarded, and whatever you do, being responsible, devoted, dedicated in your work or in your personal life, your dedication is going to change your circumstances. Maybe it will change even the difficult circumstances into something beautiful. So things will change around if you have positive intentions, and if you do your duty with that patience and with that conviction and devotion. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So good things are coming towards you, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have an angel card, guys. So whenever we have an angel card, it just means that angels are here with us, guiding us today in our day-to-day activities. So with this card, it just means that we are not aware of beauty or happiness in our circumstances, guys. So this angel card is about that. It helps us to find joy in our own circumstances, seeing the beauty of the world around us. And beauty is is a unique form of creative expression, guys. So maybe sometimes we are often so busy, or we see so much ugliness and sadness in our world around us, around the people we meet, or in the experiences that come to our life. We rarely appreciate, or we rarely pause to see the things that are beautiful in our situation. Maybe the in our day-to-day struggles, or in our anxiety or stress, we often lose that awareness to see our circumstances and see where we are and appreciate the things that we have. So it may be a child's smiling face, or a butterfly fluttering around, whatever it is, or a tree moving in that mild wind. So whatever it is, things of beauty around us, the nature we have around us, we rarely appreciate all those things, guys. So when we do that, when we appreciate this beauty around us, it simply inspires us, makes us refreshed, and it gives us inspiration and that positive energy. So lack of inspiration is the reason for our situation, guys. We feel lot stressed, and we feel cornered, or we feel let down in some ways. So inspiration is the key thing needed in our day-to-day life. So this card stands for that, and it stands for getting inspired with our surroundings. So this angel card assists us in that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So it simply opens us. When we feel inspired, we are open to new ideas and opportunities in our life. So that is the energy with this card. And that is the reading for you all today, guys, with these cards. I hope you like this reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.